Welcome back to Architutors. Today we're diving into another ComfyUI architecture tutorial, this time using the free ComfyUI cloud version to create realistic renders of your projects. In our last tutorial, we worked with the Quinn model and assets, but hey, architects don't live on one model alone, so today we'll switch gears and try a different workflow. Buckle up because this canvas is about to get comfy. Here's the ComfyUI canvas, our digital drafting board. First step, insert the Load Image component. Just double-click, type Load Image, and drag it onto the canvas, easy as dragging furniture in SketchUp. Now let's upload a file. I'm using a 3D model image exported from SketchUp. Select, import, and voila, our base is ready. Think of this as laying the foundation stone. Next, we add Image Resize by Longer Side. This is like resizing your blueprint. We're defining the pixel dimensions. Let's set it to 2000 pixels and press OK. Then comes Flux Context Image Scale. This little guy decides how much respect the generation gives to your reference image. Higher values equals strict architect, lower values equals wild artist. It's basically the difference between a disciplined engineer and a free-spirited painter. Now, insert VAE encode. This compresses our image into latent space. Imagine rolling up your drawing into a neat scroll so AI can read it. Then add Load VAE, which is the translator between pixels and latent space. Click Use to load it and connect the output to VAE encode. Boom! Our image is now speaking AI secret language. Next, we need the brains of the operation, Load Diffusion Model. This provides the weights for image generation. Add Load LoRa too. Think of it as extra seasoning that tweaks the model's flavor. For this workflow, we're going with the Flux One model. Search, import, and connect. Same for LoRa. Now our canvas is starting to look like a recipe card for architectural magic.
Insert Case Sampler. This is the chef. It takes random latent noise and cooks it into a refined image. Connect the model inputs and latent. Then add Dual Clip Loader to load paired clip models for richer conditioning. Select the clip. Next, insert Clip Text Encode. This is where we'll feed our prompt later. Add reference latent to guide generation and conditioning 0 out to nullify prompt conditioning. Finally, sprinkle in flux guidance and connect outputs with Case Sampler. It's like adding a GPS to your design, keeps the workflow on track. We're almost at the finish line. Add VAE Decode and connect it with the output from KSampler and the VAE model. Then insert Save Image, the treasure chest where our final render will appear. Of course, no render without a prompt. Change the clip to find earlier and provide your text prompt. Here's where you can go wild. Specify textures, materials, lighting, or even the vibe of the environment. Want Scandinavian minimalism, industrial chic, tropical resort? Just type it in. Hit Run. Wait a few seconds, and boom, your render is ready. And trust me, it looks amazing. Play around with different prompts, tweak values, and explore variations. Each workflow can give you breathtaking results in unique styles. That's the beauty of ComfyUI. It's like Lego for architects, but with pixels. Build, break, remix, repeat. So that's one type of workflow you can build in ComfyUI for AI architecture and AI interior design renders. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon because you don't want to miss the next Comfy ride. Thanks for watching and see you next time.